So today I'm going to tell you some rules. These are called as golden rules that you should keep in mind to solve the CAT RC passages properly over here. Hello everyone, I'm Jyoti Verma. I'm the Senior Faculty for Verbal Ability CAT for Time Institute Nasik. एंड आपको सब मालूम है कि अभी 30 नवंबर को कैट का डेट फाइनलाइज हुआ है एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर कमिंग अक्रॉस अ लॉट ऑफ डिफिकल्टी इन द VRC सेक्शन. हाउ डू वी सॉल्व RCs which are an important component of CAT? Now we all know out of the 24 questions that come in VRC, 16 questions are allotted to reading comprehension passages over here, and most of the students falter over here. They don't do well, and therefore they take the easy route out of doing minimum questions. They are not able to reach the targeted number of questions. So today I'm going to tell you some rules. These are called as golden rules that you should keep in mind to solve the CAT RC passages properly over here. Okay, I'll start with rule number 1. Stop rereading and start mapping. What do I mean by rereading? So students, when they read an RC passage, when they don't understand a word or a paragraph, they go back to it again and again and again. And the minute they start doing it, they get into a state of confusion. They lose track of the idea flow and the net result is 0. It is far better to do mapping. And what do I mean by mapping? Suppose there are 5 paragraphs in an RC. You need to find out the flow. What is the first para telling you? How is it linked to the second one and the third one and finally the end? So when you create a loop of interlink logic and understanding, you understand the passage better. So don't skip on fluency and start mapping your RC. Rule number 2, speed thrills but kills. ये आपने हाईवे पे बहुत पढ़ा होगा रास्ते पे. Now speed reading is one technique many students use. But like we all know, speed reading, speed without direction is like a compass without direction over here. So you need to learn that ability to pause at the right places in the passage and skip some of the data which is unnecessary. And by careful analysis of key factors and turning points, you will be able to get accuracy as well as speed over here. This requires practice. This requires a proper understanding of how to do mapping. So you need to go a little analytical, start reading the newspapers because you have the pre-data and it helps you to analyze things properly. So merely fast reading is not the answer. Rule number 2, beware of personal bias. This is very common amongst all students. अगर आपको किसी टॉपिक पे नॉलेज पहले से है, then students on the basis of their belief, their thinking, assume a certain answer to be correct because it matches their sensibility. It agrees to their thought process. But that is the classic mistake students make over here. They are not asking your opinion. They are asking you the author's opinion. So you know where to draw the line over here. Don't get personal. Be objective when you are solving CAT RCs. Rule number 4, decode the question. Now, most students have a peripheral vision. So they just randomly look at the question and assume the question to be one type. But even a single word can change the entire meaning of a question. So you need to devote adequate time to the question as well. The CAT questions are encrypted with a lot of language. So you must have heard if true, if false, what is an inference, what is an assumption. So you need to understand those questions. Only then you will know where to look for the answer and how to solve the question over here in this case. And finally, golden rule number 5, method of elimination over selection. What we normally do is when we see a list of options, you immediately tend to pick up an option that seems comfortable to your gut reaction, that you assume this to be correct over here. Most of the times gut reaction fails over here. You need to do method of elimination, and by and large, what do you eliminate? Sentences that are irrelevant, out of scope, exaggerated statements, बहुत बड़ा चढ़ा के बोला है, disagreement with the tone of the author. So if you keep these factors in mind, look at each option carefully, use method of elimination, you will arrive at the right answer. Now, putting all these golden rules together, you will be able to do way better in the RC than you thought over here. All right. Thank you.